So here's just a little quick chart breakdown for you. Protein, really beneficial for muscle recovery, muscle growth after the workout. As you know, the workout breaks down your muscle. Protein after helps repair it. And here are some examples of options that you can consume to kind of get you where you need to be. So that RTD is a ready-to-drink shake. So if something you shake up real quick, get you a quick 20, 30, 40 grams of protein. Combine that with some carbs. So that's where chocolate milk comes in, because chocolate milk has protein and carbs. Now you have to be careful if you're trying to lose a little bit of weight and drop a little body fat, then the best place to consume something fast acting and high in sugar is right after your workout, because your body can utilize that quick acting sugar and help you recover faster. If you're just sitting around the house and you're trying to lose a little weight, the sugar is probably not the ideal thing to consume because it could spike blood sugar and make you hungry. So, but during and after workouts would be the best place for you to have something like a chocolate milk. Fruits, watermelon, bananas, berries, really great quick acting carbs. Really banana and even watermelon. Berries not so much fast acting, but still beneficial from the anti-inflammatory side. Even things like nutrition bars and cereal bars can be used if you need fast acting carbs. Even something like honey. And fig Newtons. I'm a big fan of the fig Newtons for some of my athletes post-workout because they're quick, easily digestible, and combine that with some protein like a ready-to-drink. Now, from the fat side, some healthy fats. We don't want to overconsume fats, but maybe some walnuts, fish oil. We'll talk about that in the supplement side. Almond butter, peanut butter, walnut butter. These are good healthy fats. Avocado spread maybe on a sandwich. If you want to have a sandwich after a workout with some protein on it, instead of using mayo, we would use an avocado spread to get some healthy fats.